Do you have any plans to make profit from your woodworking venture? Then start with small woodworking projects. Starting small woodworking projects for profit as a woodworker can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor. It allows individuals to express their creativity while also generating income. The journey into woodworking doesn't have to begin with grand projects. Instead, starting small can provide the foundation for a successful woodworking business. This approach helps build skills, gain experience, and understand the market before scaling up to larger endeavors. The first step in this journey is to develop a solid understanding of basic woodworking skills. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to create products that are not only marketable, but also safe and durable. Beginners should familiarize themselves with essential tools such as saws, drills, sanders, and measuring instruments. Knowing how to use these tools effectively is vital for producing quality work. Many local community colleges and workshops offer classes for beginners, providing hands-on experience and expert guidance. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small woodworking project ideas you can start making for profit as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Once the basic skills are in place, aspiring woodworkers should focus on designing projects that are simple yet appealing. The key is to choose projects that are manageable, allowing for the practice of new techniques without overwhelming oneself. Simple items such as small shelves, picture frames, or decorative signs can be excellent starting points. These projects not only require minimal materials, but also allow woodworkers to experiment with design and finishing techniques, helping to build confidence. As woodworkers gain proficiency, they can begin to explore more complex projects that have the potential for higher profit margins. However, it's important to maintain a focus on projects that can be completed relatively quickly. Time is a crucial factor in determining profitability, especially for small-scale operations. Creating items that can be produced in a short time frame allows for greater output, increasing the potential for profit. Market research is another critical aspect of starting a woodworking business. Understanding the target audience and their preferences can significantly influence the types of products to create. Woodworkers should explore local markets, craft fairs, and online platforms to observe trends and gauge customer interest. Social media can also serve as a valuable tool for connecting with potential customers and sharing project ideas. Engaging with a community of woodworking enthusiasts can provide insights into what products are in demand, helping to inform future projects. When it comes to pricing, woodworkers must find a balance between affordability and fair compensation for their time and effort. Calculating the cost of materials, tools, and labor is essential in determining the selling price of each item. While competition may influence pricing strategies, it's important for woodworkers to recognize the value of their craftsmanship. Setting prices too low can undermine the perceived value of the work, while excessively high prices may deter potential buyers. Conducting market comparisons can help in establishing a competitive yet fair pricing structure. Once the products are ready for sale, choosing the right platform for selling is crucial. There are various avenues for marketing and selling woodworking projects, including local craft fairs, farmers markets, online marketplaces like Etsy, or even social media platforms. Each of these channels has its advantages and disadvantages. Local craft fairs provide face-to-face interaction with customers, allowing for immediate feedback and the opportunity to build a local reputation. In contrast, online marketplaces offer a broader reach, enabling woodworkers to connect with customers beyond their immediate vicinity. Creating high-quality images of the products is essential for online sales. Potential customers are often drawn to visually appealing photographs that showcase the craftsmanship and details of each item. Investing time in photography can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. Clear, well-lit images that highlight the features of the products can enhance their appeal and increase the likelihood of making a sale. In addition to product quality and marketing, providing excellent customer service is vital for building a loyal customer base. Responding promptly to inquiries, addressing concerns, and ensuring timely delivery can create a positive shopping experience. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend the woodworker's products to others. Building relationships with customers can foster trust and encourage repeat business, which is essential for long-term success. As the woodworking business begins to grow, woodworkers can expand their product line by incorporating customer feedback and exploring new ideas. Listening to customers can provide valuable insights into what items are popular and what improvements can be made. Additionally, experimenting with different materials, techniques, and designs can keep the product offerings fresh and exciting. This adaptability is essential in a competitive market, as it allows woodworkers to stay relevant and meet changing customer preferences. Scaling the business may also require investing in tools and workspace. As production increases, having the right tools can enhance efficiency and improve the quality of the work. A well-organized workspace can streamline the process, making it easier to manage multiple projects simultaneously. Whether it's upgrading existing tools or acquiring new ones, investing in equipment that enhances productivity can yield significant returns in the long run. These connections can also provide opportunities for mentorship, helping newer woodworkers navigate the challenges of running a business. As the woodworking business continues to evolve, it's important for woodworkers to remain adaptable and open to change. Trends in home decor and consumer preferences can shift, and being able to pivot in response to these changes is crucial. Staying informed about industry developments, attending trade shows, and following relevant blogs or publications can help woodworkers stay ahead of the curve. In addition to adaptability, maintaining a passion for the craft is essential. Woodworking is not just about making a profit. It should also be a fulfilling and enjoyable endeavor. Staying connected to the creative aspect of woodworking can help prevent burnout and keep the excitement alive. Exploring new techniques, experimenting with designs, and continually challenging oneself can reignite that passion and lead to innovative projects that resonate with customers. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small woodworking project ideas you can start making for profit as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.